Hello everyone. In this class, we are going to discuss how to construct the frequency table using Sturges rule. How can we construct the frequency table using Sturges rule? We are collected the data, we have raw information. Before that, I explained some important details. We have two types of data. One is raw data, another one is grouped data. Another one is grouped data. In grouped data we have ungrouped grouped data, continuous and discrete. Continuous and discrete. So raw data is also called ungrouped data. Raw data is also called ungrouped data. Without any modification, without any organization, we are simply collected the data and recorded. This data is known as raw data or ungrouped data. We are giving some modification after collecting the data, that is called the group data. Further, the grouped data is split into discrete data and continuous data. Okay. In this problem, we are having raw data only because the collected information without modification as it is recorded. So this is called the raw data. Now, in this class, we are going to discuss about how can we frame frequency table using Sturges rule for the collected raw data. How can we construct the frequency table using Sturges rule? So let us see one example. These are the data that we are recorded. How many data are there? 5, 10, 50 data are there. Here we are having 50 data. 50 data, 50 observations are collected and recorded. Let us see how can we frame the frequency table. How can we frame the frequency table? So these are the given information. This is our given information. Just write the given information as it is. Then find the range of given information. How can we find the range here? How can we find the range? So what is the minimum value occurred in this observation? What is the minimum value occurred in this observation? So this is our minimum value among all these 50 observations. So minimum value 30. At the same time, we have to choose the maximum value also. So among 50 observations, what is our maximum value here? 204. This is our maximum value. So whatever the data is recorded, first choose the minimum value and the maximum value. Let us find the range. What is the range? Largest value minus smallest value. Maximum minus minimum value. Range equal to 204 minus 30 is 174. This is our range here. Then this is our step 2. First step, just we are recording the given data. We have 50 values. In second step, we are finding the minimum value and the maximum value. With the help of range, we are finding minimum and the maximum. Find out the value of range here. Then what is our step 3? Step 2 over. Then what is our step 3 here? Step 3. Step 3, here we have to apply Sturges rule. Here we have to apply Sturges rule. What is Sturges formula? What is Sturges formula? Sturges formula is K is equal to, Sturges formula is K is equal to 1 plus 3.322 log to the base 10 of n. Log n to the base 10. Log n to the base 10. This is Sturges formula. This is Sturges formula. K is equal to 1 plus 3.322 log n to the base 10. This is Sturges formula. Here capital N is our number of observations. Capital N is our number of observations. Okay, here we have 50 observations, so n equal to 50. We have 50 observations, n equal to 50. Then substitute the n value in K formula. K equal to 1 plus 3.322 log 50. Instead of n, we are substituting n 50 to the base 10. So while we calculating this expression in the calculator, using calculator find out this answer for this expression, we can get 6.65, which is approximately 7 classes. Which is approximately 7 classes. So this is our step 3. This is our step 3. Is it clear? Sturges rule is K is equal to 1 plus 3.322 log n to the base 10. Log n to the base 10. Then substitute the values of n here. Here our n is 50. So that n is equal to 50. After substituting in the formula, we calculate the K value. K is equal to 6.65, which is approximately 7 classes. This is our third step. Then move on to fourth step. What is our fourth step here? Fourth step is find the class interval. Let us find the class interval for framing frequency table. So range of the data is already found as 174. Already range of the data is calculated 174. What is the size of class interval? The formula is range divided by k. Range divided by k. What is our range here? 174. K value is 7. So 174 divided by 7, 24.9, which is approximately equal to 25. Which is equal to 25. So in step 4, we can calculate the class interval. Now, let us frame the frequency table. How can we frame the frequency table here? So this is our template of the frequency table. First we have to first column we have to insert the class interval, second column frequency, and third column tally bar. This is our given problem. This is our given problem. With the given problem, we are going to frame the frequency table. So in previous step, we are calculating the class size is 25. Class size is 25. What is the minimum value here? 30. Maximum value 204. Minimum value is minimum equal to 30, maximum value is equal to 204, and then class interval is equal to, we are calculating the class interval as 25. We are calculating the class interval as 25. Now, with this information, let us frame the frequency table. Then class interval. Minimum value is 30, so we start from 30 here. 30 to class interval is 25. So 30 plus 25, 55. Then start from 55. Class interval is 25. So 55 plus 25, 80. Again 80 plus 25. 105 plus 25. 130 plus 25. 155 plus 25. We have the last value is 204. So we stop up to this step. No need to extend this table because our maximum value is 204. We never need the next data. So minimum value, start from the minimum value here 30 to 40, 55. Class interval is 55, so that I include 25 observations in first interval. Similarly up to the last interval. Now from the given data, calculate the number of observations which lies between 30 to 45. Which lies between 30 to 45. So how many number of observations lies between 30 to 35? 55. So first value 30. 30 is here. Then search the next value. Search the next value is here 42. 42 is also lies between 30 to 55. So 1, 2, 1, 2. Then what are the next value here? 55. Before 55, 40. This is 40. So these are the three values which is lies between 30 to 45. So I put here 3 tally bar. I put here 3 tally bar because frequency is 3. I put 3 tally bar. After the tally bar, we have to calculate the frequency. First you fill the tally bar, then count the tally bar, you fill the frequency. Then start from 55. This is open-ended interval. Start from 55 to 80. Count the numbers which lies between 55 to 80. Count the number which lies between 55 to 80. Let us count. Where is 55 here? 55 to 80. This one 62. Then 55 to 80, 71, 55 to 80, 71, two numbers, then 62, 62, three numbers, three observations, then 55 to 80, where is there? 55 to 80, 1, 2, 3, and then 79, and then 79. These are the four values which lies between 55 to 80, so that I put here 4 tally marks. So the total count of tally mark is 4, so I write it as 4. Total count of tally mark is 3, I write it. In similar way, we have to count all the values which lies between the particular interval and then recorded in the table. Then count the tally marks. Actually here we get 4 tally marks, 5 tally marks plus 1, 5 plus 1, 6, and 9 tally marks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. So for here 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 2. 5 plus 5 plus 2, 12. Similarly, we have to put all the tally marks 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, then 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then count the tally marks and enter this value. 3. Tally mark is 3. So 3, 4, 6 correspond. This is called our frequency table. This is called our frequency table. I once again explained. These are the given data here. Just the given raw data is recorded. At the first step, entered the raw data. Step 1, entered the raw data. Just recorded the raw data. In step 2, find the minimum value, maximum value, and then range. Range is equal to maximum minus minimum. Then in step 3, using Sturges rule, find out the value for k using the formula. Then step 4, find the class interval. Find the class interval. At last in step 5, just frame the frequency table according to the tally mark. according to the dilemma. Start from the minimum value and end with the maximum value. This will give our complete frequency table. I think this will be very clear for you. In next class, we will see in one more title. Thank you.